It is a pleasure to present you Integrator solution that will help you manage operational processes in an efficient way. By using Integrator, you have also access to reports and financial statements based on which you can make business decisions in an instant. Next, we are going to present you some of Integrator's features. The Sales module allows you to track and effectively manage the entire sales process. Let's suppose that you want to place a new order for a customer in the Sales module. Go to Customer Orders and then click on Add Order. Fill out the customer, order date, delivery date, payment method, and then click Save. After the order has been saved, you can add an item by clicking on Items and picking the Add Product option. Here you can select the product name from the predefined list. Fill in the fields referring to quantity, price, and customer unit. After verifying the information you entered, you can confirm your order. Another important module of this solution, Inventory, allows you to track all internal operations related to stock and product division in one or more ledgers. Before placing an order, you can view the product inventory in the inventory sheet. Once the order has been invoiced, the inventory is automatically updated. In order for the product to be removed from the inventory, you have to click Sales, then pick Customer Orders and select Generate Invoice. Once the invoice is generated and approved, the products will be automatically removed from the inventory. If you wish to view the company output status, go to the Management module and select Outputs within the Charts section. Here you can choose the information you need according to the desired result. To view, for example, the value of the VAT-free entries by product, by year and by month, drag and drop the Value Without VAT option in the Data area. In the Line area of the Accessed option, select Product, Customer, and Quantity, and in the Column area, choose Year and Month. It's that simple and effective.